Hey, Will here with Allison at Grail Toys and Collectibles. Thought we'd share this Marax tricycle wind-up Pluto here from the 1950s. This is 100% authentic and not a reproduction. You can usually tell by the paint, the plastic. This one has definitely seen better days. See how the arms don't sit flush anymore, but uniquely enough, manufactured by the Lienmar company. I think I'm saying that right. It was a subsidiary. Never mind. But anyways, it's a pretty neat toy. It still runs. So a little bummed out about the arms, but considering its age, and you can see it, he has been well played with. The paint is in really good shape. Still winds up excellent for a toy from the 1950s. Subsidiary company, that's the word I was trying to say. Yeah, a lot of companies like outsource toys and stuff like that. But that's our 1950-ish wind-up Pluto toy. Thanks everybody, have a good one.